Lamborghini, the dream car. Toyota, the practical car. But what does it really cost to own each one? Today we're breaking down Lamborghini versus Toyota, the true cost of ownership. Let's start with the price tag, and then the surprises that follow. Practical versus dream, numbers tell the rest. A new Lamborghini Huracan, about $250,000. A Toyota Camry, around $30,000. That's an 8x difference before we even put gas in the tank. Sticker price is just the start. Smaller purchase, smaller ongoing costs. Let's look at the big line items. Insurance on a Toyota, around $1,500 a year for most drivers. But for a Lamborghini, expect $7,000 to $10,000 annually. That's literally the price of another used car every single year. Factors: driver history, location, and the car's replacement value. If you live in a city or commute, insurance alone closes a huge part of the cost gap. A Toyota averages about 30-35 mpg, so a year of driving might cost $1,500 in gas. The Lamborghini? You'll be lucky to see 12 mpg. Annual fuel cost? Closer to $5,000 if you drive it regularly. If you commute long distances, Toyota efficiency compounds savings. Push a supercar and the MPG penalty grows fast. Fuel is a continuous gap, not a one-time hit. Oil change on a Toyota? About $50, $100. On a Lamborghini? Around $1,000, $2,000. Routine maintenance is orders of magnitude different. Need new tires? Toyota tires, $500 for all four. Lamborghini tires, $1,500 each, and you'll need them more often. Plus, specialist mechanics, longer wait times, and imported parts add hidden costs. A Toyota holds its value pretty well. You buy it for $30,000 and maybe sell it years later for $15,000. But a Lamborghini? Depreciation can cost you $50,000 plus in just a few years. And don't forget storage, climate control, and insurance-mandated requirements. Luxury taxes and registration fees can be higher for high-value vehicles. Not every mechanic can work on a supercar. Certified service adds cost and time. Those hidden costs stack quickly. With a Toyota, you can drive anywhere, park anywhere, blend in, and pay less in stress. With a Lamborghini, you turn heads everywhere you go. But you'll also stress over speed bumps, valet parking, and every scratch. It's not just money. It's convenience, freedom, and stress. Do you want peace of mind or the thrill of the dream? Tell me in the comments which side you're on. So what's the true cost? Owning a Toyota costs maybe $5,000, $7,000 a year. Owning a Lamborghini? Easily $30,000 plus a year just to keep it on the road. At the end of the day, do you want practicality or do you want the dream? Would you choose the Lamborghini or stick with the Toyota? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more breakdowns like this.